How to use Two-Way app. So here's Two-Way Walkie-Talkie. It's a nice walkie-talkie app. Super easy to use, super easy to get started. You don't need to create your account, enter phone number, get verification. Nope. That's why people like it. And then you just open it up, and the idea is super simple, that you have 6 numbers in the top. This is your room number, and everyone who enters the same 6 numbers in the top enters this room. You can have 5, 10, 100 people in the same room, and then you can just talk to each other. So what you need to do, you just need to send these 6 digits to your friends, and they will need to go in top left and enter these 6 digits, and then they will be in the same room as you, and you can start talking. If there is someone else in this room, you will see that there is like a red green circle as like this. Then you can see, all right, someone is talking, and then you can just join conversation. You can also just do it with some random people. However, there are not that many English speaking people. There are a lot of kids here, so you just need to enter like really interesting 6 digits. There are no special characters allowed. You can see recent numbers in here. But yeah, this app is not kind of secure. Anyone can join your room at any moment. Anyone can basically join and record your conversation. There is no settings to see who is in the room currently. Nope. So that's like, and you can't mute people. So that's why it's kind of very, very basic app. If you see that there is someone else joined in your room, then you just need to change the room number. Also, you can just change the geographical location to some place like this. This is another interesting feature in here. So that's where you have it. That's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, something around that. So yeah, try out this app.